So today I'm doing an unboxing of yet another smartwatch. You're probably fed up of seeing these right now. And this one I didn't actually get sent free of charge. I bought it myself, Blackview W50. Pretty good price. Let's see what it's like. Okay, so here is the Blackview W50 smartwatch. And I picked it up in black, although, there we go, sorry. Black, and there's a load of other color options, although they weren't available on Amazon for some reason. So this at its normal price is about 40 quid, but there's a voucher on there and I got it for just 25 quid. So we'll just flip it out the box and see what it's like. So you get quick start guide on top, a spare stretchy strap, which is really nice. And then underneath that, you get your watch. Oh, and you get your just generic smartwatch charging cable. So here is the Blackview W50, just with a few instructions there. Charging pins at the bottom there, and you've got a power button, sport mode, smart watch. Oh, I thought they were buttons. No, they're not. So just a power button and a sport button. Straight out of the box, you can tell this is a much lighter and cheaper feeling watch than some of the other ones that I've used. You've got a bit of metal build here, but the rest of it is plastic. It's very lightweight, but I'm not really surprised. I mean, the strap feels quite nice, and then the extra strap, like material one, which is quite nice as well. So we'll just take the front bit off and then we'll just power her on. Okay, so we'll just wait for her to boot up, and it comes up with a QR code ready to pair your device and download the app. Now I've already downloaded the app on the Blackview A96, and it's the InfoWare app. So you can just log into that and then add your device, and it will immediately find the W50 and it will start the connection process straight away. Connected, pair with this device, yes. Please select the area you care about most. So I would think, for me, we'll just go with that actually. And then you can turn on or off message notifications, weather sync, etc. Just going through the rest of the connection process. And there we go. Pair, and then we are completely paired to the watch, and there we go. So you can tinker with various bits and bobs directly on the app, set your message notifications, change your watch face, and then a few other bits as well. But I'll just show you very quickly just some of the layout of the watch. So you can swipe from the top to get to your notifications, swipe from the bottom to get a few shortcuts, swipe to the left to get some of your activity information, and then swipe from the right to get your heart rate as well. Now if you just tap the power button, it brings up your menu, which you can then of course then jump into settings, set your brightness, ringtone, vibration, and you can select how strong the vibration is, raise to wake, activate 24/7, which is perfect for me. Bright screen time, so just how long it takes for the screen to go off if you're not using it. I will set it to 10 seconds. Do not disturb. You can change your menu view from a list to a grid view. One thing I have found that is a little bit frustrating, so say for argument's sake, I want to go through my settings menu and I'm in device info, which is quite near to the bottom. You swipe back, it doesn't default to where you were on the settings menu list, it defaults right to the top. So you've got to swipe right the way down again. Not a major thing, but a little bit frustrating for me. And then you've got about calls, device info, QR code for when you want to repair, a reboot, power off, and a reset option as well. Now, if you jump into the health options, of course, you've got your various settings: stress, breathe, sleep mode, blood oxygen, heart rate. Now, of course, watches like this, they offer, blood oxygen measurements, but they're not proper equipment, if you know what I mean. So don't take them as gospel, of course, but they will just give you a rough idea. And then you can select your workouts, other sports, and there's plenty of others on there as well. And then you can, please add frequent contacts to the app, so we'll leave that for the moment. Sport record, reminders, music, weather. We'll jump into the weather and it gives you your weather information as well. And then watch faces, no, that was workouts. Watch faces, there's a few preloaded on the watch itself, but you can obviously, like I said, get more when you tinker with the app. So we'll just leave it on that one for the moment. And then you can do a shortcut to the sport mode as well. If you want to set a sport that you're taking part in, that you want the watch to measure your parameters. So overall, the build quality of the W50 feels like one of the more cheaper ones that I've used. Now I'm actually wearing the Oukatel BT80, which if I just take that off to compare, very similar build quality, sort of pretty much all plastic on the BT80, a little bit of metal on the front of the W50. You've also got the Cospet, which is an all metal design, a really nice smartwatch, and it costs considerably more than this W50, but that I will be dropping a video on that one as well. And then I've also got the AGM Watch Legion, which again, plastic for most part, but a metal screen face. So a couple more options there, varying in price from 100 quid or so for those ones, or 130 quid, down to the cheapest of 25 for this with the voucher. And I picked up the BT80 for 30 quid with a voucher as well. So you get a 370 milliamp hour battery with this W50, which is considerably smaller than some of the other ones. This has got 1000 milliamp hours, which for a watch is pretty good. And this will run at temperatures from -30 Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius, I believe. So you've got a big variation of temperatures that this watch will run at. But overall, I think it's a really nice looking watch. For 25 quid, if you can get it at that price, I think this will be absolutely fine. And it will give you all your notifications that you need, and of course measure some of your health stats as well. But let me know down in the comments what you think of this W50 watch. Would you consider buying one? Check out my videos on the BT80 and also the AGM Watch Legion. And I have also got a video of the Cospet Tank T3 Ultra as well. So that's a really great watch. Check that video out as well. But definitely get subscribed if you want to see more videos a little bit like this. I've also got budget phone reviews. Actually not this Blackview A96 currently, but I've got plenty of others if you want to see videos like that. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.